English as the bridge to unity. How language shapes cultures. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, its role in promoting cultural understanding. Have you ever thought about how knowing English connects you to millions across the globe? Let's explore this further. When people from different countries can speak and understand a shared language, it becomes easier for them to share ideas, express emotions, and build relationships. English, as a lingua franca, is not just about business or academia. It's also about connecting on a personal level. Imagine attending a global conference. There, you'll see people from Japan, Brazil, Russia, and Nigeria conversing in English. Through this shared medium, they're not just exchanging information, they're sharing a part of their lives, culture, and experiences. Knowing English allows people to access various cultures directly. Instead of relying on stereotypes or media portrayals, individuals can communicate with one another and get to know the real stories. This diminishes biases and misconceptions, fostering mutual respect and understanding. For instance, a person from China might read a novel written by an Indian author in English, or someone from Mexico might watch a Kenyan movie with English subtitles. These experiences help in understanding and appreciating differences and similarities across cultures. English has played a significant role in unifying voices across borders. Think about global movements related to climate change, social justice, or health. The campaigns and conversations around these topics are often carried out in English, bringing together a global community fighting for a shared cause. However, it's essential to recognize that while English promotes understanding, it shouldn't overshadow native languages and cultures. Preserving one's linguistic heritage is vital. English is a tool for global communication, but our mother tongues keep our cultural identities alive. The key is to find a balance between embracing the global and preserving the local. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful role English plays in bridging cultures and promoting understanding. It's not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about the stories, the connections, and the unity it can foster. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.